everyone, welcome back to Code with Arhan. In the last video, we set up our C programming assignment. Now, it is time to understand one of the most important concepts, variables and data types. So, let us start with the what is variable. Now, you might be wondering what the hell is variable. So, a variable is just like a box that stores information. It has name, a type, and a value. So let me just give you a quick example of it. Let me just create a file name variable.c. Okay. Now, for example, the variable might be just int age is equals to 15. Okay. Let me just format it. Okay. Int age 50. Now, just don't think about the int. I will tell you about that later. But for now, just keep in mind that for integers, if your value is just integer, like the age is 15, so we should use int. Int means integer. Okay. Then for height, so so you know that height is in decimals. So for decimals, in C we have a float. Height is equals to 5.9. Then we have for characters. For example, this is a character. We have to write char grade is equals to A. So this is a float. That means this is our integer variable. This is our float and char variable. Okay. So these are the data types, or we can see that the int, float, char are data types. So let me just give you our data types, sizes, data types with sizes, and it will be a table. Okay. So we have C. For int, we have a 2 size. That means it takes 2. Its size is 2 or 4 bytes. So our int is just 2 or 4 bytes, depending on what's saying. Then for float, we have 4 bytes, char 1 byte, and we have then also have a data type named double, whose size is 8 bytes. Uh, there are a lot of more couple of data types, but but for now, just remember these three: integer, float, char. Integer for integer variable we use int. For float or decimal values we use float keyword, and for character variable we use char. And this is a data type which sizes int is 2 or 4 bytes, float is 4 bytes, char is 1 byte, and double is 8 bytes. Okay. And now let me just print it. Here I say print size with data types. So we write printf. Okay. H. Then here you go nicely. Okay. C. Now you might be wondering what is percentage D, percentage 0.1F, percentage C. So C. What is percentage means is percentage to what can we say that it is just a command to get something. For example, for age is 15 here. But for printing that we write the age colon. Okay. The percentage D is for integer always. Percentage D is for integer always. Percentage F is for float. Percentage C for char. And now after writing this much, you have to define the variable for which you have to print there. So we have to write comma. Then the name of the variable. Let me just give you a quick example. Let me just say child name is equals to Arhan. Now this is a string variable now. Let me just printf C. Printf. Now I will write the name. Okay. Now we have for string we have percentage s and forward backslash n is for new line. And then comma, the name of the variable name and semicolon. Now let's try to run this now. It's okay. Child name. Okay, okay. So what is he saying? Okay, should be string. Okay, let me just erase it real quick. Okay, now it should work. C. Age 15 years, height 5.9 feet, and grade C. Now let us try one again for string variable. String and now let me just print it real quick. Okay. See. So if you want to just print your name, you have to just write the variable name and then after that you have to just give it the like this square brackets empty. Now if you try now, it will work and it will print your name. And C percent and also percentage S is for string. So you can write the string. So basically what's a char is just a character. So it just show one characters and a string is just that it has a lot of you can do a lot of things with it. Just like a whole sentence and out of all like that. So here it is our string name is done. Now you can see that the output is this age, height, grade, name. So in this episode we have learned what is variable and data types. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.